So let's continue our series of endless uses of LFOs. In this case, I'm using the Massive X, rocking the new dark skin. So let's make a simple future wobble chord using Massive X. We're using different synths in every tutorial, so hopefully we make the point that you can make it in any synth as long as you understand the tools that we're using. So here we have just a basic patch. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take LFO 4 right here. I'm going to apply it to the filter frequency. Let's drag it down to apply some amount and drag down the frequency knob. Nice. Now right now the filter is going up and down. The LFO is moving the filter up and down because the LFO is bipolar. Let's change it to uni. Nice. And also now if I hit a different note, all the different notes slightly offset of each other, off time, each one of them is going to have its own LFO. So let's turn on the mono on the LFO, so it's just one LFO for all the notes. Nice, much better. Let's also synchronize the LFO and put it on 216. Nice, that's an eighth note. Excellent. Now just to add some future vibe to it, let's take LFO 5 and switch it from an LFO to a regular envelope. And we're going to map this envelope to the timing of the LFO. So it will speed up the LFO at the beginning of the chord or when you hit the note and then slow it down. Let's check it out. Nice. So every time I hit the note, it speeds up for a second and then slow down. Excellent. So that's the basic sound. From here on, you can add, of course, reverb if you want, whichever one you want. There's a bunch of them here. Some chorus. Anything else? Let's boost it up some. Let's add some distortion. Nice, and of course you can change the waveforms, the filters, add noise, add more modulations. So we took an LFO, we applied to the filter cutoff, and then we also modulated the speed of that LFO with another envelope to create that kind of future vibe of that speeding up and slow it down. Excellent. Catch you next time.